I'm Mallory Safaste with your WMAR 2 News update. Several state leaders got their coronavirus vaccines on Monday, including Governor Larry Hogan and Lieutenant Governor Boyd Rutherford. This comes as new data shows Maryland is slightly behind the national vaccine average. After he got his shot, Governor Hogan said a plan is in the works to boost the number of vaccines Marylanders receive.
And the Maryland Department of Health and the Maryland National Guard are currently working with county health departments and private partners on the opening of mass vaccination sites at central locations across Maryland. This is going to take a long time. It's going to take a great deal of patience, and it's going to take a whole lot more vaccines.
Governor Hogan and all the other leaders who were vaccinated will get their second booster vaccine in about 4 weeks. Baltimore City school teachers will have access to the coronavirus vaccine thanks to the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine. The school secured the vaccines as part of a program to help protect the teachers about a month before many of them return to their classrooms. Governor Hogan said beginning this week, teachers will be eligible for the vaccines, but in the city, appointments for the shots had already filled up. So officials at Johns Hopkins decided to do what they could to help.
We recognized that we have a special role in Baltimore City and to its communities. Obviously, teachers and staff are very essential to that. And apart from educating our children, the schools have a huge impact in individual families' lives and bringing some normalcy back to society.
There are 5,000 teachers and staff members who need the vaccine, and there will be about 500 shots per week available to them. So vaccinating those teachers is estimated to take several weeks. The U.S. has now surpassed 24 million coronavirus cases, according to Johns Hopkins University. The first coronavirus case in the U.S. was reported a year ago. It took the country 304 days to reach 12 million cases and only 59 days to add another 12 million. Johns Hopkins also reports more than 398,000 people in the U.S. have died from COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic.
Chilly morning numbers. We'll be at about 33 degrees by the time you make it into work. Good mix of sun and clouds through the day. Winds out of the west will help get those numbers up a little bit higher than they were for Monday. Climbing into the mid to upper 40s during the afternoon, where I have our daytime highs hitting 47 here in the city of Baltimore. Same for Annapolis, 45 out in Essex, 44 in Elkton, a little bit cooler out in Westminster where they only hit 43. And we're all cooling on Wednesday. Temperatures struggle to get to the 40-degree mark. Winds gusting 30 miles per hour. That means those wind chills are going to hang out in the 20s for most of the day. Milder numbers return for your Thursday and we're warming to the upper 40s by next Friday.
Stick with us online at WMAR2news.com for updates and top stories and breaking news. Also, for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR 2 News app in the App Store. You can watch Live Radar and get breaking news sent straight to your phone. Thanks for watching. I'm Mallory Safaste.
This WMAR 2 News update is sponsored by Jones Junction.